Hello everyone, welcome back to The Old Man That Doesn't Know Anything. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart, mindfulness and meditation. In our fast-paced world, finding inner peace and clarity can seem like a daunting task. But through mindfulness and meditation, it's possible to reduce stress and enhance our mental well-being. So let's explore these practices together. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment. It involves paying attention to our thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. This might sound simple, but it can be incredibly powerful. Mindfulness helps us break free from the constant chatter of our minds and brings us back to the here and now. Meditation is a practice that goes hand in hand with mindfulness. It's about training our minds to achieve a state of calm and clarity. There are many different types of meditation, but they all share the goal of quieting the mind and finding inner peace. Now, how to start your mindfulness and meditation practice. Starting a mindfulness and meditation practice doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some simple steps to get you started. First, find a quiet space. Choose a place where you won't be disturbed. It could be a corner of your home or a spot in your garden. Next, set a time limit. If you're new to meditation, start with just 5 to 10 minutes. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually increase the time. Then, focus on your breath. Close your eyes and take deep breaths. Pay attention to the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your body. Observe your thoughts. As you meditate, you'll notice your mind wandering. That's okay. Gently bring your focus back to your breath each time you get distracted, and finally, be consistent. Like any skill, mindfulness and meditation require practice. Try to make it a daily habit, even if it's just for a few minutes. People often wonder, do you need any special resources or tools for these practices? There are many resources available to help you on your mindfulness and meditation journey. Here are a few recommendations. For apps, try Headspace, Calm, or Insight Timer for guided meditations and mindfulness exercises. In terms of books, The Miracle of Mindfulness by Thich Nhat Hanh and Wherever You Go There You Are by Jon Kabat-Zinn are great starting points. And for online courses, websites like Coursera and Udemy offer courses on mindfulness and meditation. Let me leave you with some final thoughts. Remember, mindfulness and meditation are about progress, not perfection. Be kind to yourself as you explore these practices. The journey to inner peace and mental clarity is a personal one, and every step you take is a step in the right direction. Thank you for joining me today on The Old Man That Doesn't Know Anything. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. And as always, feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, take care and be mindful.